welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Nong Trao Government LP School receives PMSRI School Scheme. Villagers in southwest Garo Hills benefits from a free medical camp organized by BSF. LRO with an evil motive to create disunity, says Portlander. And HC order prohibits open display of animal carcasses in meat shops in Eastern West Khasi Hills district. Nong Trao Government LP School in Bhoirambong recently received the prestigious PMSRI School Scheme as part of the Jan Bagadari event and activities organized by the District Mission Coordinator District Unit of the SSA CMAN. The program aimed to enhance education methods, making it easier for students to absorb knowledge and learn various subjects, including languages and mathematics. The school, among 14,500 others, achieved the PMSRI School Scheme, and on the occasion, students participated in activities like singing, art and craft, drawing, poetry writing, and foundational literacy and numeracy exercises. The event was attended by distinguished guests including Vincent Nyanglang, DMC Ribhoi District and Joint Director of the Education Department Ribhoi, Enika Sindram, BMC Bhoirambong Block, E. Mukim, Principal of Nong Trao Government LP School, along with teachers, parents and students themselves.
Ketika PMSRI, ketika scheme kebanyalan cetak, sungguh dikijin model school. Begini target school. Kini school kita berdem, mending bawa mungkin senang school kita head, berteman. Kumian ni kan Nong Trao LP Government School kebalalem, dikisir ni kan school, kijit kan school, kan target school, bagian pen bahagia ni kan school. Mo, limbang kan scheme, kin pen bahagia, pen head, kin senang kin improve ya structure yang school. Mo, kin senang gila. Laboratory, library, head, biang ikna. Nangka pada ki sport facilities. Ki kena kin yo manishin bentah di sports. Nanti kin ai kin madan kin ai kin biang lut. Mo, nama berkata target school. Dia nangka pada kita ki classroom, ki laboratory, ki smart class. Smart class kemudian ki classroom ki long high tech kebagi kin hikai ki kena dah ki latest technology pemerintah. Mendai tu chalk and blackboard ki omong mendai show. Ki lak man book dari screen pi apa classroom. Kin long smart class. Ti kata ke kin pen bhai ki school ki ba. Ti ki kemudian bagi infrastruktur juga school ibrok away kan improve kan bah bon tie kemudian ki school kan biang lut nadong syadong mo kania ka dei balai ban pen orlong ka ideology la dia ka mat jong ka NEP 2020 nama ka
hangni man ka siaw Nong Trao bisai ko hangni pemaran kiwan dek mesti kelen bar kiwan thidi ki mesti odok Nalu na jaya bana sawi syar. Tinggi degi berembok ba mentala replace pada bujili pada da kaju ke batumai da ki kira school ki bade ki model. Ka school PMSRI jompi lajit kerpang. Gidon tang artli hari boy. Kanong Trao bat kamulong. Hidei ki badan boktam nomor kadai ka school jompi kadai ka model school. Tibi yang lihat model gilok, teng lihat model. Ya saya penlongi program manta, selem lese lihat model. First phase, second phase, third phase. Kamu yang model. Rada deh nagariam ru, habariam model, habariam TikTok. Cipang tradisional, cipang formal, cipang entah. Kamu kene ke school jumpi, kamu benlong siu kumkiwe pergi school, kadai benlong ke school, kabade ke model, malah ke school kabade model, ke community participation kadai ke badan kamtam. Ka community participation berkajing ya don ti jong kinong ikai jong ka MC jong ka Shillong jong ki kimigi kpa. Nyaha penlong ya kade ka school kata ka bagi khot baro ka Shillong trao. Kade penlong kata ka bagi khot ka educative community. Na mi kpa kawan ka jinam jintik bagi ikai. Na ki liang kinong sensiar Shillong lu kide ka nuksa ban ai ka jendeng stat ka wan bar khoi ka priority lene ka bahak madu jong kane ka Shillong nong trao bar kham tam jong kane ka school kade ban ai ya ka jingnang jimtip ka ba kham parat liam bani giwe par school kade ka peran poktam kau pi ba tang syukran mensyua government school te bar khoi lai te government school te mentah kade kalawan dak we par kom yai Dagawe perkorkong perkhat na kaliang jongga central government. La sedang la launch ya kene tang Muslim peladat. Nyau tarik usap tembar arajar rapuan la launch ya kini ki PMSRI schools. Pradhan Menteri Schools. Rising India. Kemudian rano yang India seno to the 21st century. Re. Umdai suruh kejuk tinggi mensyua ke ba ngana ekran mikimik pa. Ile skol mangi Islam nyok buai nyok war. Patron lungkot da karong sipai ke lungkot patulai. Dek sa skol kat balon file atkut tutulai dan malai dak hal tilti. Kat kejuk lo pet. Mentah kade kejuk. Jong ke information technology. Mentah kena baro koy kena batang sistem tam ulai play mobile. Ulai tiblot. Jadi benra ya kanong trau badi griboy ha kita ke school jong kaspa snem ka baar buwe.
In a commendable effort, the 50 Battalion Border Security Force BSF organized a successful free medical camp as part of the Civic Action Program in Bahadur, Mahendraganj, Southwest Garo Hills on the 26th of July. The event, held in collaboration with Civil Hospital Ampati, aimed to improve the health and well-being of the border area residents. Supervised by Randhir Singh Gill, 21C 50 Battalion BSF, the medical camp received remarkable coordination and support from various individuals, including Mohinder Singh, DC, S. Chunglai, AC, Koi Commander Ritish Kumar, AC, and Dr. Hina Khan, Medical Officer. 30 personnel from 50 Battalion BSF along with civil doctors, Dr. Lydia Sangma, Senior Medical and Health Officer, Dr. Tengmachi M. Sangma, Medical and Health Officer of Ampati Civil Hospital, and Dr. Nipil M. Sangma, Medical and Health Officer of Mahendraganj CHC, actively participated in the camp, contributing significantly to its success. Approximately 400 villagers from nearby areas benefited from free medical checkups and received prescribed medicines during the camp. In a recent press conference, Paul Lyngdoh, the Minister of Social Welfare and Tourism, addressed baseless allegations made by an invisible group identifying themselves as the Legal Rights Observatory, LRO. The group claimed that youth groups and members of a particular religion were responsible for the tensions in Mahadev Khola, Upper Shillong this week. Minister Lyngdoh vehemently refuted these accusations, stating that the LRO was driven by an evil motive to incite violence and sow discord among the people. He urged the public to remain vigilant and cautious of such malicious intentions aimed at disrupting peace and society and the states as a whole. Furthermore, he highlighted the LRO's misuse of social media platforms to propagate their fabricated news and manipulate public perception according to their agenda. The minister assured that the law enforcement authorities would take appropriate measures to tackle such issues and maintain harmony in the region.
Lost that ability to listen. We would only like to put our viewpoints across without listening to the counter viewpoint. And probably this will call for another session, another intervention. But I'm happy that today we are here to benefit and to reach out to those with the challenges of being hearing impaired. But again, let us also remind ourselves that with all disabilities, as the Commissioner had mentioned, there are 21 identified disabilities. But again, there is this saying that the greatest sailors in this world have always come out from the stormiest of seas. That's why we had somebody like Beethoven, who gradually lost his hearing, but composed some of the best known pieces of classical music. It becomes a challenge to all of us who have all our senses and abilities intact to always feel grateful and express our gratitude to God by being His instruments while here on earth. I also read about this, one of the best orators on earth, Demosthenes, was born in ancient Greece. He became one of the greatest orators of his time while having a major speech challenge. He was always struggling to articulate himself, so he would go down to the beach and collect pebbles, and he would then use those pebbles, juggle them in his mouth until his ability to speak could improve. And later on, whenever he spoke, the entire hall would turn silent and everybody could hear him. We have heard the beautiful piece of music rendered by our friends. My colleague Balok Ruai, iaitu Kecil Ruai, kepada Nalatua Temu Mak Samla, nangit ki Perengga Jing Luna Kecompi, pi lalak bermikat tu, kat berkenal ipi, bagi ngilang, bah kenu ke bau play, penduk nau beliau, bu iPad atau kalian. Whenever somebody suffers from a deficiency that is physically noticeable, God always gives them something else in return. I do not know if you have heard or seen Tony Melendez. You can watch him on YouTube. Tony Melendez was born without arms, without his hands. And so he played the guitar using his feet. And he had Pope John Paul II in his audience. So I would like to emphasize here that when you reach out to those with disabilities, do that not with a sense of treating them as people with less abilities or with disabilities, but more out of empathy, more out of compassion. Because we are living in a world that is running short of empathy, compassion, and love.
On July 24th, 2023, Shri G. Kharmau Plang IAS, the District Magistrate of Eastern West Khasi Hills District, Mairang, issued an order prohibiting the open display of animal carcasses in meat shops. This decision comes after the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, through Order PIL number 2 of 2021 dated May 26, 2023, took a stance against the public exhibition of animal remains in these establishments. With the meat being exposed to street grime, dust and other contaminants, it may turn toxic even before being sold to consumers. Moreover, the order emphasizes the importance of ethical treatment towards animals, whether they are raised for human consumption or used as farm animals. This includes regulating the mode and manner of transportation of such animals to protect their well-being throughout the process. Shri Ji Kharmauplang, exercising the power conferred upon him under Section 144 CRPC, decided to implement the ban on open display of animal carcasses in the district. In a shocking incident at Umlipoi Bridge, West Khasi Hills district, a dumper truck carrying sand tragically collapsed into the river due to its excessive load. The weight of the cargo proved too much for the wooden bridge, causing it to sustain significant damage, leading to the truck plunging into the river below. The incident occurred on the July 26th. Responding swiftly to the situation, the leaders of the Neutrab Youth Council HYC Lai Lungdo Circle rushed to meet the ADC West Khasi Hills district and submitted a written request urging the district authorities to take immediate action in repairing the bridge. The region where this tragedy unfolded is renowned for its squash production during the season. Consequently, the people are deeply concerned that the bridge's collapse may impede the transportation of their agricultural produce to the market for sale. They have appealed to the government, particularly the district authorities and Public Works Department (PWD), to expedite the repair work to ensure smooth transportation and prevent any further disruptions.
General Secretary Sipai Wan Tibob Indo Yuan Hane ha DC ban kerpat marga jing kutna jong ketika jingking hote Umlipoi te warlang ini yo tunduk beri DC ringila yo ban tunduk pati besar swear te nagal yang jong iru yang bain sa le ke ban kam ban kloy ne kam te nomor ketika jingking kala good menen jamit te kumki paj bang nong snong dan kam ki ta geding maromot kam kloy nomor ki kena school ki marap ki bang kit nang te nasional asu sagot te kata jar te nak kalian jungi ka seng kwa ba ken kam simkhian kam makan kloy makan pensuk yang kum paj ba.
On July 26, an accident occurred in Ribhoi district when a man identified as Neverson Nongse, aged 40, met with a tragic end while travelling from Umden to Umshaken village. During heavy rainfall at around 2 p.m., an unforeseen incident took place where a power cable fell onto the road unbeknownst to Neverson, who was riding his motorbike. Tragically, he collided with a live cable and was electrocuted on the spot. Eyewitnesses stated that the fallen power cable carried a high voltage charge which immediately affected Neverson's body upon impact, resulting in severe burns and ultimately leading to his untimely demise. The family members mourns the loss of Neverson Nongse and blamed the carelessness of MEECL that led to a great loss of life. The authorities are investigating the matter to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future.
Hoy nakaliang ka jong aro marka ngaday bahing jong ini i balaklat bala dana ka kamita en ngaru nga iba kajingjia kajing bombiang jong kinong pej ya kane ka misal kajing trek ti kajungki ba kasa wanja kamne namar ba ki ding gisik ki ba ide ban pengat ba khanang ba kan like kan nom kta ya ki nong lek nong wan rei don hadu menta ki ba hakini ki ski ba lek ki ba la pengat ya ki nanti ba ya jong kane ka ya like ngata hina ka liang ka junga ngade u ban sain tunong se de bahing jong ini neversion nong se
to nakaliang jonga kum rumba chnong hapo jong ka chnong chicken bade ru u penroi lang sila na ka chnong chicken nakaliang jungi ki ba de ki nong chnong ha ne ka dong ba ka thang ni prem juria ka MSCB ka ba de pe abde bat ka ne ka jinsai la ne ka lai ni nakaliang jungi ki badon ha ne ka dong bat ka ria ni sem sibun ka jinstom bat jinjar na marman la goi ki por nakaliang jungi kum ki nong lam chnong ni lek ban kerpat nang ni lek bu jin thol ne ujor sha office na nakaliang jung office kam sim khia ban ang ni ketiau berdep ro nakaliang gasenjuk jungi ngila persang ban lek mi hak office jungki nang ta ban pan jinsai hak e kenung rim ban nakaliang jungki kemla ban pen khoj le ban le bhai ka lan jung di ki wiring le bat ki lan nam ta ki wire ba wire udon hapo jong ki krumding le krumsi ka bu jing e yangi kum ki nong lek nang wan ka mar ba ka dei nak ta ka dau ba ka ne garu ka jinjak la jana mar ba i ba usik udon hapo jong usainar de ta ka dau ba usainar bat kutno bat la don ne ka jinjak kum kene tenang liang jungi ki ba don ha kene ka thang bat ka dong ka yang i prem jur ya kene ka kum trikam na ka liang jong ki de pe na ka liang jong laimen bat na ka liang jong ka office jong MCB na mar ba kim sim kya ya ka jing kerpat jong i kum ki nong ilam bat kum ju na ka liang ki seng bat kum ju na ka liang jong ki ba ki ba don ha ne ka dong bat ka thang na mar ba na ka liang jungi na wei por se wei por ngala kerpat am dei tang ha ni ki lain bedai ki meng lain dei wat ha bedai bat ki lain hapo jong ki chnong thau jungi ro nong la dep ban kerpat nam ta ban yo jirap habde bat ki pus ki ba bor ki pus ha ki chnong jungi ki la don ki balat kut sudah rei don weru ba nagliang jungi kum ki nong ilam apo jong ka chnong ke ba ngila ban yo ka jirap dan ngi chikmat ki kerpat ya ka office bakan sim kia like bakini ki jinja nang ni chikmat kinja kum ne ta ka de ki jing kerpat ka ju por bat ka ju por ro long ki kerpat ya ki pra betri lang nang ni chikmat ba in sim kia ini kam khanang ban kaliang jung office ru kin sim ki kit kli nam ta ban pembit biang namar banglai bakan ja ka jinja su si ang sikmat tang kini kentin khuble sibun to habe bat kini ka jinja hab misel nagaliang jungi ni la de ban pentip ta nagaliang USDO nagaliang jung office ki job gelong ba piong insa kade ki jinja accident dengan nomla ban batai kata kade jing nang liang juki de nang liang juki nong sukum no nak liang jungi ki ba de ki nong sung sunong la ne ki bede ki bhai nga sem jung ne ubreu ngi bu ko jing kerpat habde bat ka office bakin subha ban pek bat khmi nam ta ban no jingrap de ki no kilat ne ki lenti na mar ba kum ki ne ki jinja umde ki ba nak liang jung ne ubreu kwa andai kade ki jinja ka ba ja accident nak liang ka jing tre turti nak liang jung ka ne office ta kade ki jing thok bar ju por kade ki jing kerpat
to habedi bat kene ka jinja he kede namar ba ka jitre torti ka jungki kana kaliang jungi ki ba haing sem jong ne uba langat angane ka pot te hadu ba kene ka jinja kala sim no ya ka jinjim jong breu kana kaliang ka jungi ni kerpat ya kane ka office ka bri khmi ablong ka MECL ba ka de ban siu ya ka bai lusan mar ka jindu jungi ya ka jinjim jong ne breu
Biang, to nagaliang jungi kum ki nong ilam hapo jong ka sinong ru nang ni sikmat ngin nong sim ya ka jing kli ka ba in wat ya gilat kelti nagaliang jing office ba ka don kam nam ta ban no jingrap habde bat ka ne ka jinja habde bat ne ubreu no mar ba ki bhai ngasem kila du ya ka wei kam sembreu bat ka ne ru ka de ka ba jinja accident ka ba umde ka ba nagaliang jung ubreu kwa de ka ba ka jing tre turti nagaliang jong ka ne ka office te nagaliang jungi kum ki nong lam jong ka sinong ru ba inom shong klikti nang ni sikmat ngin budin yene kam nang ba nagaliang office ru ko kan sim khai ngene kam bat nag try yeng ru ba kin yo ya ka jingrap la galong kan ko ru ko jing ai la ne ka bar yang la ne ka balupsan abde ba ka ne ka jinja
In a significant development for Southwest Garo Hills district, a crucial meeting was convened at Circuit House Ampati on 27th of July to outline action plans for the upcoming Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations. Chaired by the esteemed Deputy Commissioner R.P. Marak, the meeting witnessed the enthusiastic participation of key officials including block development officers and representatives from various line departments. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, commemorating the 75th anniversary of India's independence, holds great importance in the hearts of every Indian citizen. The primary focus of the meeting was to devise a series of events and initiatives that would not only pay homage to the freedom fighters but also instill a sense of patriotism and unity among the people of Southwest Garo Hills. The attendees proposed several action plans during the meeting, and these proposals garnered unanimous approval from all present. Moreover, the gathering also delved into block-level programs that aim to actively involve the youth in the festivities. In the thrilling 2nd Division League Football Tournament 2023 organized by the Pendeng Umyong District Sports Association, 2 matches showcase intense competition and excitement for the spectators. In the first match, Wisup SC and Nong SC faced off in an intense battle on the Do Maulo football ground in Pendeng Umyong Mairang, and the match concluded with a draw. The second match witnessed Kinshi SSCC taking on Pendeng Nongbri SC, and Pendeng Nongbri SC showcased remarkable teamwork and determination, managing to secure a thrilling victory with a close score of 1-0. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.